Hello, hello. Mic check 1 2. Christmas Eve here in Japan. There we go. Is it better on that side or this side? Maybe this side. Okay. Okie dokie. Explore the near garden to the right of the house to pick up ether and cover. Ah, cover is a good. Yo, what's up? Let's give out one more account on Christmas Eve. The materia system in Final Fantasy VII was top-notch. I'm going for maximum nostalgia. I went from Chrono Trigger to Chrono Cross to Final Fantasy VII after playing Castlevania, Symphony of the Night, and Final Fantasy Tactics before that. Oh my gosh, nostalgia overload. I got a CRT monitor right here, so I'm playing it on a real monitor. So what you see me looking off to the side, it looks like this. I got a retro tink, so for you guys, like, it would look like, you know, it has the CRT lines and everything. What I'm seeing, I got it dialed in perfectly. So I can play it on this monitor here, but if you got the real thing, why not? But sorry, I missed what he was saying. Oh man, I missed it. Oh well. Thanks. Oh my goodness. You stole my ether. Give it back. But yeah, what you should see on that main screen would be what it looks like. Like I got the CRT lines dialed in perfectly. Are we gonna dip? Where's the garden? Anyway, let's just get out of the full screen mode. How do I get past? Okay, maybe not. So where am I supposed to go? I want to go through the Resident Evil series again. If you haven't played Resident Evil on VR, oh my god, that was the scariest game ever. Farpoint was pretty good. I have the gun for that. The gun moves separately from what you're looking at in the VR headset. And you can like see down the scope of a sniper rifle. It's pretty good. It's a shame they didn't have more like games compatible for it. But that alone is worth having. Well, having a little bit of XP. Ah, here we go. Sector 5 slum. There's the materia. Alright, let's equip that on Cloud in his bangle thing. Whoops. We'll do on his sword the attack one and then non-attack. I mean, that was just so awesome. Like, you could level these up independent and then give them to other people so you could switch out characters. Like, I remember the system was so cool. Like, the thing about watching it on a CRT, right? Like, if we go to the full screen here, like that waterfall up here in the top left, like, even if I watch it on this, like, huge, like, 30-inch OLED monitor or whatever, it's not gonna look as cool as on the CRT because they designed it for those photons to flicker in just that right way. So if you want the ultimate nostalgia, you need one of those little things, unfortunately. I'm home, Mom. If you leave a comment on yesterday's video now, you can just get the entry for today over with. Thank you, Claire. I would size down for the holidays. I switched to micros since yesterday just because it could get choppy. Boom, 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 boom. It's a nice house. Lots of flowers. Here. You can't see it. I'll save it in a moment. Yeah, it was a different time. You could kind of tell when an item could be interacted with and stuff. Oh, I guess you have to walk. It was just peak gaming, no microtransactions or shaders. They were just making a good story. I really want to play Expedition 33, so honestly, after I play through this, I might get PlayStation 5 and Expedition 33. My birthday's in February, so I might treat myself then. Maybe we'll be finished with this by then. We got through Chrono Cross in like a month, so should be alright. Depends on if I want to get Knights of the Round Table. I remember that being annoying. I have to breed the chocobos and stuff. Chocobo! Okay, 10 minutes until showtime. And apparently news 30 minutes after open and a half day. So again, don't over leverage. Wait, what? Okay. That was random. I like the frequency of save points so you don't feel pressure to like keep playing, you know? I honestly want to keep playing, but gotta do the presents after this, so I'm gonna like set up I'm gonna try to get some footage of Santa for my son, so I gotta dress up in costume and stuff like that. Alright. Save it and stop, because we're at the 5-minute mark. Okie dokie. And off. Okay. Cheers. Okay, 5-minute warning. Saddle up. Boop, 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 boop. 2 minutes. Low volume days. Mm-mm-mm. 1 minute. Kind of falling to value area low. How are we handling it? What is ES doing? Let's see. Oops. Got kind of like a defender at 69.63. Do we break through? Break on through to the other side. 10 seconds. No real significant volume just yet. We're basically at settlement. We got a resting order at 850. That's been there for a while, but since open, it looks like ES making a stab at that resting order at 69.63. Does it break on through to the other side or not? Looks like it's about to. Warm it up, ES. I'm about to. Warm it up, ES, because that's what I was born to do. Tori? Tori Amos? Tori Spelling? You had a significant amount pre-market at the value area low of volume, and we maintained the value area low. So a push to the highs is looking more realistic the longer we hold. And now ES about to break through that barrier. Boom. How's NQ handling this? Well, just staying right back in to the volume point of control here. Yes, kind of broke that 69.63 resting order. NQ flushing a little bit. Getting some sellers hit here. How does it handle these guys? News in 20. Where somebody was mentioning news. I'm actually checking it. 10:30. Oh, it was pre-market. Never mind. Tory. Back at the value area low. Yes, kind of holding this hit for now to the top. If we come above this 807 mark, you could be getting seller absorption. Seller absorption to the upside. Needs some follow through though. Be above the 815s would be nice. To the upside, please. Or not. Ooh, you had some, yes, fluttering at the 69-63 defense to hold above that. I'm liking this idea more now. Yes, sir. Getting that, got the push to the 15 volume imbalance. Do we break above it? Is it sustainable? Hit about 300 in buy side with that push up. Yes, also clearing out inventory as it rises. You're getting more buyer interest with no follow through. You hit about 600 in buy side with that push up. So NQ kind of holding this range bound. We were saying it's going to be probably choppy. And ES kind of slow drifting in a channel up. Ah, gotcha. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 10 minutes until the hourly close. So far, the seller is looking a little bit strong by holding below 800. ES still holding the 69.63 after Pearson above it. That's the thing holding NQ from dropping right now. Is this a reaccumulation slash seller absorption play? You got two seller inflection points, one at 797 and the other we mentioned before at 806. Two rejection wicks to the downside on the 1,000 tick and starting to come above the first inflection point. The seller fatigue idea looking real. ES holding the high. You just had a gap on the 1,000 tick. The buyer inflection point over here at the volume point of control at 810 with some more buyers that we hit on that way up at 813. So until you get above 813, the buyer's not in control. Right smack dab in the middle. But it has to start somewhere. And that first inflection point of sellers showing a little bit of fatigue at 799. And that's how the narratives start to get scripted. With 8 minutes on the clock. I'm more primed to see it go up, if I'm being honest. Looks like it's going to sweep up because the ES still holding. So that divergence or whatever is what gives me that little bias. But it might do a juke, telegraphing one thing and then psych. Which is why I'm on micros today. It's not fast enough. Okay. If you guys want to enter for the giveaway for an Apex on Christmas Eve. You can leave a comment on yesterday's video, and then we'll do the drawing, you know, within a couple minutes after the hour close. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4 comments. If we could get a couple more, if you are interested. Battle for the wick, 5 minutes on the hourly. You had some buyers here. A 78 lot at 804. This guy's going to be the prime candidate to show what's going to happen. Should I stay or should I go? Do 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 do. Okay. Well, well, well. Oops. Yeah, it'd be partial. It's now showing a little bit of support of that guy, and now they're partners in crime over here for the buyers and the volume point of control at 810. If it goes up above that 813.5 with some vigor, buyers are looking more promising, but it needs to maintain. We got 3 minutes. How does the hourly close? Let's go check it out. We got a point of interest here, which was a previous touch. Did we hit that? I don't think so. Oh, we might have. Oh, wow. No, we were just shy. So the hourly. How are you going to close, Mr. Hourly? We're basically inside the opening range. Ruth, Ruth, baby, Ruth. Some sellers to offset that buyer. Little slingshot action. A little slingshot 30 seconds before the Candle close. Well, Tio said it'd be news, so I set off the fireworks, yeah? And we coming above the volume point of control. Doom doom tsh, doom doom tss. Doom 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 doom. Doom 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 doom. Central time. Gotcha. Come on. You can do it. The order book cleared on ES. Repopulating. Coming above those inflection point buyers, showing acceptance. You got another 72 buyer at 812. Looking like seller absorption idea I was saying was coming true. I did take this long, so I did put my money where my mouth is, but we'll see. I could eat it eat a D if it comes back in my face. But it's only 3 micros, so it's only $150 risk. I don't want to get F'd in the A with the big fat D. That would not feel good. F'd in the A with the big fat D. Huh? How do I know? Oh, you're talking to him. Sorry. There was like a pre-market push that I should have just peeled off like at like 60 ticks or whatever. It's so lame. It's just staying here. Okay, finally. A little bit more aggressiveness. Yes, still pushing up to the 6970s perhaps. Wow. Yeah, it's just do 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 do. All right. Well, we're gonna at the 15-minute candle close, we will draw another Apex giveaway. So if you want to comment on the yesterday stream to enter, we only have 4 people currently. So you got a 1 in 4 chance plus you a 1 in 5 if you haven't commented yet. So those odds are pretty good. 50 ticks on this trade, which took forever. Can you follow through, please? Go to these double wicks. Sweep ES up here to the 6970s. Hell yeah. Oh man, it's just like watching paint dry though. But it is Christmas Eve, so it's probably just all overnight, like trading, just accounting, automation trades. I didn't expect it to be trending today. So I don't think it's going to be like super massive moves. Wowzers. Sometimes ES telegraphs more than NQ does. That's why I like switching to it on Bookmap. Like, because it has more resting orders up there than NQ. Oh my goodness. Acceleration, please, above from this last inflection point, and then we'll be able to peel it off. Just upgraded to the new Mac M4 Max. Wow. Nice. Nice. Congrats. I'm jealous. Yeah, I have no complaints with parallels other than they try to give you pop-up ads to upgrade. And I'm like, no, why would I do that? I already have one that works. But the ability to like reboot without rebooting your machine and stuff like that, it's proper. All right, ES about to sweep that resting order of 140 lots at 69.70. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my goodness, it took forever to go nowhere. Only like 100 ticks. Come on. Come on. You swept the 69.70s. You going for the other guy at 69.72 or 69.73? How are you going to react here? Strength or weakness? Strength or weakness? Strength, please. Come on. Come on. You can do it, you skittish mofo. There you go. Just 20 more ticks. I'm not asking for the moon here. Well, I'm going risk off either way because I'm not freaking around if it's up 70 ticks to go back in my face. So I'm just putting it break even at 808. If it goes back at that point, I'm out anyway. So that was a manual raise of my stop because I don't want to wait around forever. At 822.25, it will peel off one and then start trailing automatically if it goes to 822.25. Come on. 832, sorry, 832.25. Oakley dokley. And yeah, the Ninja Trader on parallels, I can give you some like Renko settings and stuff too. I use Renko. Renko is very nice for trade management, very clean. Tix is good for auction theory and showing footprints and stuff. Renko is just good for good old like up or down trends. Boom. Now we got it. Nice. One peeled off. Realized some profit. Trailing at 72 ticks in profit. If it pulls back, I'm out. And that will be a qualifying day. And that's all we're after on a slow Christmas Eve day. And we got one more minute to enter for the Apex giveaway. And then we will draw. Do 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 do. Where is that? Oh, thanks. All right, here we go. Copy clean link. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it went up to 1 in 8 chance. Here we go. Let's go to the YouTube comment selector. Okay. Paste. Bring it over here. And we're getting a drum roll, please. Here we go. Fetching, anything goes. 8. Pick a winner. We got David Charles. David Charles, congratulations. You just got yourself a free Apex eval. Please message me or say something in the Discord. Booyah. Happy holidays, David. And I think we're just, let's see, should we just let the ATM do its thing? Our second peels off at 8:44. So we'll just see if this trade plays out. It's probably going to pull back, but you're getting more. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You just got more sellers to add fuel. So this could drift higher. David Charles. We got a little bit of sell side that entered here that could become a little mini slingshot. They entered and then it immediately jittered above them. I've seen that before where they're like, we got a sucker. Don't let him out. So we'll see. Either way, stops in profit, trailing at 76 ticks in profit. So, David Charles, did you say what's up? Oh, nice. He sent DC Dave. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. My dad's handle in Discord was DC Dave because he lived in Washington, D.C. So it's exactly same Discord name as my dad. Oh, okay. Let me get off the stream and then I will send that to you after the stream. Wow, we just had a drop back, pull back. It's going to knock me out at 85 ticks in profit if it pulls back to 26. And then we'll end it there. Boom, we're out. What? Didn't flatten. Why not? That's weird. Still open on the apex. Weird. It hit the lead account, but it didn't hit the runners. Hold up. Just making sure that. Should I flatten all? Yeah, we're just going to flatten it, whatever. Flatten, 129. Good enough. Okay. That was decent, but boring. Alrighty then. Well, guys, we're going to end the stream here and go set the presents and whatnot for my kids. So happy holidays. Stay frugal, stay blessed, stay positive, and we'll see you tomorrow on Christmas. No, it's a national holiday, right? So it should be closed, bank holiday. So we'll see you when it's open.